Piper Sounds, just wanted to say a massive thank you from everybody here at Peppy for your donation. We've got a little video that we want to share with you about where the funds have gone. Thank you!
Weak strong, weak strong.
Weak strong, hook, hook.
Weak strong, hook, hook.
Okay.
Hello, Tasan. My name is Kim Tru. I am a program manager here at Peppy Empowering Youth. Right now, scholarship project, we have 37 students. 2 of them are successfully enrolled in their third year. 19 students are the second year and all of them passed. And we recruit this year another 16 students. All the scholarship students, they study a range of majors such as agriculture, tourism and management, hospitality, electricity, IT, and nurse. One of our students.
My name is Sawan. I am a scholarship student in Peppy Empowering Youth. My major is project management.
Hello, my name is Taufina. I am a scholarship student in Peppy Empowering Youth. My major is accountant.
We would love to say
a big thank you to Prasan.
your donation make a real difference.